Guys, imagine being able to create beautiful, professional presentations, full articles, and even mind maps, all in just a few minutes, without design or writing experience. Well, there's an AI tool that can help you do exactly that. It's called Smallppt, and we're about to take a look at it right now. Hey everyone, welcome back. This is AI Border, and I make videos every day to help you stay updated in the world of technology. Today we're exploring Smallppt, an all-in-one AI-powered platform for creating presentations, writing content, summarizing text, and generating visual mind maps that completely change the way you work. And the best part? You don't need to be a designer or a writer to use it. Before we jump in, I should mention that Smallppt reached out to me to review this productivity tool and share my honest thoughts. And as always, my opinion is 100% genuine. So what exactly can Smallppt do? It can generate entire slide decks from a single sentence, summarize documents, write full articles, and even turn your ideas into interactive mind maps, all within one clean and intuitive workspace. In every video here on AI Border, 2 random viewers who leave a comment below will win a pro account of this very tool. So make sure to drop a comment, share your thoughts, or even just an emoji, because the next winner might be you. Let's jump into the video. On the left side, you'll find a navigation panel with different AI tools. Slides for creating presentations, writing for generating or rewriting articles, summarizer for condensing long texts, and the mind map section, one of the most powerful features that visually connects your ideas in seconds. In the center area, you can choose to create new content, import a file, or enter a URL. I'll start with the Generate option. Just type your topic and, for example, pitch deck for seen through a lens. Then select the number of slides, audience type, tone, language, and how much text you want per slide. And hit Generate. Within seconds, Smallppt divides your content into clear sections and builds your presentation using your preferred template. You can edit text, insert shapes, align elements, or even regenerate individual slides as much as you like. If you're not happy with the design, simply switch templates. Everything updates instantly. When you're done, export your project as a PowerPoint, PDF, or image set, or import your existing files to polish them up. I tested it myself by uploading a basic text file and letting Smallppt do its magic. In seconds, it created a professional deck that was ready to present. A few small edits later, it looked like something made by a professional design team. Now, while AI writing and AI summarization are great for quickly drafting and condensing information, the AI mind mapping feature truly stands out. It takes your ideas or summaries and transforms them into clear, dynamic visual maps. Perfect for brainstorming, studying, or project planning. You can edit the layout, expand branches, and reorganize your thoughts visually, making your workflow more creative and intuitive. All right, friends, that's the story. From building presentations and summarizing documents to generating visual mind maps, everything you need for creating, organizing, and presenting ideas is gathered in one place. And here's the best part. You can try Smallppt for free right now. When you're ready to upgrade, use my exclusive discount code, AIBorder, at the purchase link below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with the latest AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.